Are you an introvert and wondering if you should be using email marketing to promote your business? My answer is yes, and here are 3 reasons why. The first reason is because email marketing is a one-on-one conversation. Unlike in social media where you put your message out and you just hope that the right people see it, in email marketing, you have a list of people that are going to receive your email. And when I say receive your email, I mean it has a 93% or greater delivery rate, which means that at least 93% of your list will receive your email. When you email them, the people on your list will receive your message and you'll know who you're talking to. In social media, you don't know who you're talking to. You have a good guess. You know some of who your followers are. And if you can get them to engage, then yes, you'll start to have some one-on-one conversations for a period of time, depending on the post. But in email marketing, you are having a one-on-one conversation with every person on your list. Yes, you are sending it out to all of them at once, but it's landing in their individual email inboxes where they can reply to you and you can have a conversation. The second reason that email is a powerful tool for you as an introverted business owner is because it's low pressure. What I mean by that is you can write your email at your pace in the window of time that feels most comfortable for you. So do you like to write when you're first getting up in the morning, or do you like to write in the middle of the night? Whenever you want to write or create your emails, you can do that in a time frame that works for you at a pace that works for you. And then send that email at a completely different time when it's right for that person to receive it. So it's asynchronous. When you write it and they receive it, can be 2 completely different times. And that's especially great because you can write 1 or 2 or 5 emails up front, schedule them out, and then just let them run. And the third reason is because email marketing is effective. By effective, I mean people prefer to buy through email than they do in social media. In other words, when you send them a social media post inviting them to buy and you send them an email inviting them to buy, they're going to buy through that email. And that's because people on your email list signed up to be there. So they have more trust in you and your offering. They've gotten to know you specifically because they've seen your messages, because they're not fighting an algorithm like they are in social media. This means you're going to build a better relationship with the people on your email list, see better results, and grow your business better because of the strength of your email list. If you want some help getting started, click on the link below in the description. It will give you a list of tips to get better results from your email marketing, and it will give you a guide that will help you choose the best email marketing platform for you and your business.